Have you ever looked at someone successful and thought, I'm too late? Have you ever watched others move ahead while you felt stuck, believing that your time had already passed? What if I told you that success has never cared about your age? It has never asked whether you are 18, 30, 50, or even 70. Success only asks one question. Are you willing to keep growing? The world has convinced many people that life follows a schedule. Graduate by this age, earn by this age, succeed by this age. But life does not move according to a calendar. Some flowers bloom in spring, some bloom in autumn, yet both are beautiful. Some people find their purpose early, while others discover it after years of struggle. The timing is different, but the victory is equally meaningful. The greatest tragedy is not growing old. The greatest tragedy is spending years without growing at all. Every day you wake up with an opportunity to become stronger, wiser, kinder, and more capable than the person you were yesterday. The moment you commit to daily improvement, age loses its power over your dreams. Today, I want to share powerful lessons that can transform the way you look at success, growth, and your own journey. These lessons will remind you that no matter where you are in life, your next chapter can still become your greatest chapter. Stop counting years, start counting growth. Have you ever noticed how society teaches us to fear time? From a young age, we are given invisible deadlines. By this age, you should graduate. By that age, you should be successful. By another age, you should have everything figured out. And when life does not follow that timeline, we begin to feel as if we are falling behind. We look around and see people achieving things earlier than us, and suddenly our own journey starts to feel smaller. We stop celebrating our progress because we become obsessed with our position. We forget that life is not a competition with others. It is a relationship with ourselves. The person sitting next to you is not your opponent. The only person you are meant to outperform is the person you were yesterday. Yet so many people spend years comparing chapters of their lives with someone else's story, never realizing that every journey unfolds at its own pace and every path carries lessons that no one else can teach. The truth is that growth cannot always be measured by visible achievements. Sometimes growth is learning how to survive a difficult season without losing hope. Sometimes growth is choosing kindness when life has given you reasons to become bitter. Sometimes growth is getting out of bed when your heart is carrying burdens nobody can see. The world celebrates trophies, titles, and applause, but there are victories that happen in silence. There are battles won behind closed doors that deserve just as much recognition. A person who learns to believe in themselves after years of self-doubt has achieved something extraordinary. A person who chooses courage over fear has already taken a step toward greatness. Growth is often invisible before it becomes visible, and that is why so many people underestimate their own progress. Imagine a tree standing tall in the middle of a storm. People admire its strength, but they rarely think about the years it spent developing roots beneath the surface. Those roots were growing long before anyone noticed the tree itself. Your life works the same way. Every lesson you learn, every book you read, every challenge you overcome, and every mistake you grow from is creating roots within you. The world may not applaud those moments. No audience may be watching. No reward may arrive immediately. But something powerful is happening inside you. You are becoming stronger, wiser, and more resilient. The growth that nobody sees today often becomes the success that everybody notices tomorrow. When you stop counting years and start counting growth, something remarkable happens. You stop feeling pressured by other people's timelines. You stop measuring your worth by your age. You stop asking whether you are too late and start asking whether you are improving. Suddenly, every day becomes an opportunity instead of a reminder of what you have not achieved. You begin to value progress over perfection and consistency over speed. You realize that success is not reserved for those who start early. It belongs to those who refuse to stop growing. No matter how old you are, no matter where you are standing today, your next step forward matters more than the years behind you, because growth has the power to transform any chapter of life into a beginning. Small daily improvements create extraordinary results. One of the biggest misconceptions about success is the belief that it happens overnight. People see the final result, but rarely witness the years of effort behind it. They see the athlete holding a trophy, but not the countless mornings spent training before sunrise. They see the entrepreneur building a successful company, but not the years of uncertainty, failure, and persistence. They see confidence in someone and assume it came naturally, never realizing how many fears that person had to overcome. We live in a world that celebrates outcomes while ignoring processes. As a result, many people become discouraged because their progress seems too slow. They expect dramatic transformations and overlook the power of small, consistent actions. The reality is that extraordinary results are often created by ordinary habits repeated daily. Reading 10 pages may not feel significant today. Practicing a skill for 30 minutes may seem insignificant this week. Choosing healthy food instead of unhealthy food may appear like a small decision. But life is not shaped by single actions. It is shaped by repeated actions. What you do consistently matters far more than what you do occasionally. Every small positive choice is a brick being placed in the foundation of your future. The problem is that most people quit because they cannot immediately see the building taking shape. They become impatient with the process and abandon the habits that would have eventually changed their lives. Think about water flowing through a rock. 1 drop cannot make a difference. 10 drops cannot make a difference. Even 100 drops seem powerless. Yet over time, those same drops can carve through solid stone. Consistency possesses a quiet strength that many people underestimate. It does not demand attention. It does not create instant excitement, but it creates lasting transformation. Success rarely arrives with dramatic announcements. More often, it arrives disguised as discipline, routine, and commitment. It is hidden inside the decision to keep going when motivation disappears. It is found in the willingness to do the small things repeatedly even when nobody is watching. Every day presents a choice. You can either invest in the person you want to become or continue living as the person you are today. The difference between those two versions of yourself is often determined by small daily actions. Greatness is not built in one moment. It is built in thousands of moments that seem ordinary at the time. The book is written 1 page at a time. The skill is mastered 1 practice session at a time. The dream is achieved 1 disciplined day at a time. Never underestimate what daily improvement can do, because the habits you practice today are quietly creating the future you will eventually live in. Your past does not decide your future. There are people who spend years carrying the weight of yesterday on their shoulders. They replay old mistakes in their minds as if those moments have the power to define the rest of their lives. They remember every failure, every rejection, every wrong decision, and every opportunity they missed. Over time, those memories begin to feel heavier than reality itself. They stop seeing possibilities because they become trapped inside stories they keep telling themselves. They convince themselves that because something did not work before, it can never work again. They believe that one failure makes them a failure, that one setback makes them incapable, and that one painful chapter has somehow written the ending of their story. But the truth is that your past has no authority over your future unless you continuously hand that authority back to it. Life was never designed to be lived by looking only in the rearview mirror. Imagine driving a car while staring at what is behind you. Sooner or later, you will crash into what is in front of you. Yet, that is exactly how many people live. Their eyes remain fixed on old wounds, old disappointments, and old regrets. They become so focused on what went wrong that they fail to notice new opportunities arriving in their lives. Every sunrise brings another chance to begin again, but many people never embrace it because they are still emotionally living in yesterday. The past can teach lessons, but it should never become a prison. It can offer wisdom, but it should never steal hope. Every experience you have survived has given you knowledge, strength, and understanding that can help you move forward if you choose to learn from it instead of being defined by it. Some of the strongest people in the world are not those who never fell. They are the ones who learned how to stand up after falling repeatedly. They discovered that resilience is not built through comfort, it is built through adversity. Every challenge they faced became part of their preparation. Every disappointment taught patience. Every rejection taught perseverance. Every setback revealed strength they never knew they possessed. What looked like failure at the time often became the very thing that prepared them for future success. Life has a remarkable way of transforming pain into purpose when we refuse to give up. The scars you carry today may become evidence of your courage tomorrow. The battles you survived may become the source of strength that inspires someone else to keep going. You are not the same person you were yesterday, last year, or 5 years ago. You have learned, evolved, suffered, healed, and grown. Why should an older version of yourself continue making decisions for the person you are becoming now? Every day you wake up with the ability to choose a new direction. You can choose new habits, new thoughts, new goals, and new beliefs. Your future is not waiting for perfection. It is waiting for commitment. It is waiting for the moment you stop identifying yourself by your mistakes and start identifying yourself by your potential. No matter how many times life has knocked you down, the next chapter remains unwritten. And every step you take today has the power to create a story far greater than anything that happened before. Invest more in yourself than in your excuses. One of the easiest things in life is finding excuses. Excuses are available everywhere. They arrive whenever things become difficult. They whisper reasons why you should wait, why you should quit, why you should stay comfortable, and why success belongs to someone else. Excuses make temporary comfort feel more attractive than long-term growth. They convince people that circumstances are stronger than determination and that limitations are stronger than possibilities. Many dreams have been abandoned not because they were impossible, but because excuses became louder than ambition. The saddest part is that excuses often sound reasonable. They disguise themselves as logic while quietly stealing opportunities that could have transformed lives. Every person receives the same 24 hours in a day, but not everyone invests those hours in the same way. Some people spend their time complaining about what they lack, while others spend their time developing what they already have. Some focus on obstacles, while others focus on solutions. Some wait for perfect conditions, while others begin with whatever resources are available. The difference between these groups is not luck. It is mindset. It is the willingness to take responsibility for growth. Every hour spent improving yourself becomes an investment in your future. Every hour spent making excuses becomes a withdrawal from your potential. The direction of your life often reflects where you choose to invest your energy. The most valuable investment you will ever make is not found in a bank account, a business, or a piece of property. The greatest investment is the one you make in yourself. Skills can increase. Knowledge can expand. Confidence can grow. Communication can improve. Discipline can be strengthened. These are assets that nobody can take away from you. Markets can rise and fall. Circumstances can change. Opportunities can come and go. But the person you become remains with you through every season of life. That is why personal growth is one of the most powerful commitments you can make. The better you become, the more valuable you become to yourself and to the world around you. Imagine where your life could be 1 year from now if you invested daily in learning, improving, and growing. Imagine the confidence that would come from keeping promises to yourself. Imagine the strength that would develop from facing challenges instead of avoiding them. Imagine the opportunities that would appear because you chose preparation instead of procrastination. Excuses may offer temporary relief, but they never create transformation. Growth requires effort, responsibility, and courage. Every day presents a choice between staying comfortable and becoming better. The people who eventually achieve extraordinary things are often those who consistently choose growth, even when comfort is calling their name. Keep becoming. Because success is a journey, many people spend their entire lives chasing a destination. They tell themselves that happiness will arrive when they reach a certain goal. They believe that fulfillment exists somewhere in the future, waiting behind a promotion, a dream house, financial freedom, or public recognition. They imagine that one achievement will suddenly make everything complete. But life has a way of teaching a different lesson. Every time a goal is reached, another horizon appears. Every mountain climbed reveals another mountain ahead. This is not because success is impossible to achieve. It is because success was never meant to be a final destination. It was always meant to be a continuous journey of growth, learning, and becoming. The people who enjoy life the most are often not the ones who have achieved everything. They are the ones who have learned to enjoy the process. They understand that every challenge contains a lesson. Every setback carries wisdom. Every experience contributes to growth. They stop viewing obstacles as interruptions and start seeing them as part of the path itself. Instead of asking, "When will I finally arrive?" they ask, "Who am I becoming through this journey?" That shift changes everything. It transforms frustration into curiosity and struggle into development. It allows people to appreciate progress even before they achieve their ultimate goals. Life is constantly inviting you to become more than you were yesterday. It invites you to become stronger through hardship, wiser through experience, kinder through understanding, and more courageous through challenges. The person you are today is not your final form. There are abilities within you that have not yet been discovered. There is confidence within you that has not yet been fully expressed. There is strength within you that may only emerge when life demands it. Growth is endless because human potential is endless. The moment you believe you have learned everything is the moment you stop evolving. The moment you remain open to learning is the moment life continues expanding your possibilities. Never allow age, circumstances, or past achievements to convince you that your journey is complete. There is always another level of growth available. There is always another lesson waiting to be learned. There is always another dream capable of inspiring you. Keep reading, keep learning, keep improving. Keep challenging yourself. Keep becoming the person you were created to be. Success is not a trophy placed on a shelf. It is the daily decision to move forward, despite fear, despite uncertainty, and despite difficulty. As long as you continue growing, evolving, and believing in the possibility of becoming better, your journey remains alive, your potential remains limitless, and your greatest chapter may still be waiting ahead of you.